Good morning students. In this video we are going to discuss about the relative density. So what is a relative density? Relative density is the density of the substance to the density of water which is at 4 degrees Celsius. So what is relative density? It is when we divide the density of the substance with the density of water which is at 4 degrees Celsius, we will find out the relative density. So relative density is also known as the specific gravity, and as we know that a relative density is the ratio of two similar quantities. Both are density and this is also a density. So since it is a ratio of two similar quantities, it has no units. So relative density or specific gravity, it has no units. Now afterwards, how we can find out the relative density of any substance? There is one bottle that is known as relative density bottle. With this bottle we can find out the relative density of any substance. So this bottle has a stopper, and this stopper is having the hole in between. So first of all, to find out the relative density of any substance, we will weight this bottle empty. Okay, suppose we weight mass of this empty SG bottle. SG bottle means specific gravity bottle. We will mark it as M1. Now we will fill this bottle with the distilled water. Excess of distilled water will be drained out from this hole, and we will again find out the mass of this bottle. And now the mass of this SG bottle means specific gravity bottle with water, it will be equal to M2. Afterwards we will again drain out the water from this bottle and fill it with the glycerine. Now we will find out the mass of this bottle with glycerine. So mass of this bottle with glycerine, it will be equal to M3. Now when we are going to find out the mass of water only, now here there is a mass of bottle also, but when we want to find out the mass of only water, we will subtract the mass of the bottle with water minus the mass of this empty bottle. Similarly, in case of glycerine also, we will subtract the mass of the bottle with glycerine minus the mass of this empty bottle. So afterwards we will find out the relative density, which is equal to the M3 minus M1 mass of glycerine divided by M2 minus M1 mass of water, means mass of glycerine will be divided with the mass of water. In all this process we will keep the volume fixed. If the volume is kept fixed, then mass of glycerine will be divided with the mass of water. So in this way we can easily find out the mass of any substance. Here we have taken the example of glycerine. Similarly, we can find out the mass of the paraffin wax also, kerosene oil also. Okay, any substance we want to find out the relative density, we can find out by this method with the help of this bottle. Okay students, this is all about the relative density. Thank you.